Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to add borders and shading to text in Microsoft Word. So if you've missed the previous series, be sure to check the course. So first things first, we are going to open our Microsoft Word. So when we open Word, we are going to use one of our previous classes. And let me expand it for you. So fast forward, to be able to add a border to your word, what you're going to do is you have to highlight what you want to add the border to. After highlighting, you go just in the paragraph section of your ribbon and you click on border. As you can see, it has added top and bottom border. Now you can walk around with the border the way you want. There is bottom border, top border, left border, right border, outside border, or if you want it to do the entire thing, you just do all borders, as you can see in the drop down. Now you can just remove the border by going back to border and you choose no border. Now if you want to customize the border further, you just scroll down and go to borders and shading, and here you can work around with the type of border that you want, the color of the border that you want, and also the thickness of the border. And then you just click OK, and when you change that settings, you just go back and click on border, and you can see it will change automatically, and all the upcoming borders are gonna look just like that. So now you can remove the border, or you can customize it in whichever way you want. So to remove it, you just go to borders and then no border. So now let us put it back. So be sure to check other settings in the border so you're able to know what you're working with, the types of borders you're working with. In the dialog box, you can see. And then once you approve all those settings, you just click OK. And that is it. So next, let us see how you can add shading to text. To do that, you highlight the text and then you go to shading. And then you can choose the color of the shading that you want. Shading basically helps your text to stand out. So you can change whichever color you want, or you can even put your custom color code. And if you want to remove the shading, you just highlight it, go back and you can click on more settings to customize it the way you want. You can choose the color that you want. You can play around, and you can see on the right hand side it shows you the new color and the custom color. So you choose. Once you confirm, you can also change the color to the way that you want. And if you have your custom color, feel free to copy the hex code and then paste it. You can also customize shading by adding a fill color just by going to more settings, and you can remove it by just going to shading, no color, and that is it. So you need to use borders to highlight headings, quotations, or important notes, and also to apply subtitle. Shading colors also helps for professional appearance in some situations, and also avoid using so many border styles and colors in the same document to maintain readability. So the purpose of these two is just basically to make information stand out and visually appealing in Microsoft Word.